Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you have in your circumstances, Aquarius. And Aquarius, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's see what are these cards. So it's 9 of water, 5 of water and 6 of water. So in your circumstances today, Aquarius, it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are having an emotional time today. And whatever was not working for you, it may be your past. So you have some expectations. And today, when that is not met, you feel a little sad. You don't know how to handle yourself. But you know that your sadness or your expectations are blocking you from seeing the truth. And today, you are ready to give up the negative emotions you have. Maybe you understand that if things are going in a difficult way in this relationship, there is no use brooding over what has happened in your life. So instead of looking at the past, you need to look ahead towards your future, and that is what you are trying to do today. So whatever happened has happened, and it is no use worrying. And you are a different person, and you are ready to forgive yourself today, letting go of all the negative emotions you have and forgiving this person. So you are moving towards some kind of a healing energy. So you are forgiving them for what they did, and they have hurt you badly. But there is no use brooding over that hurt or having a grudge against this person. That is not going to help you in any way. So you are changing, and you are stopping all that past emotions, giving all that up, healing yourself deeply. And that is the reason you have that sense of satisfaction and contentment today. Things are going well in your life. You emotionally, you are a balanced person, a better person, because you have that acceptance in your heart for whatever has happened in your life, Aquarius. So we will see its call. So you are someone with focus and determination. And your determination is the reason circumstances are changing for you today. So you are a changed person, and you have a deep trust in yourself, confidence in yourself. And whatever pain and sadness that you have, all that is changing, and it may be your energy or your person's energy, Aquarius. This person has forgiven you or you have forgiven them, and you are moving on with your life, having that positive outlook. So you are ready for a new relationship. Maybe for some of you, if you are open for a new connection, there is someone coming to propose or tell you their true feelings for you. So something good is coming for you, Aquarius. So in your work circumstances, we will see what is the card. It's love. So you are moving towards a partnership or a collaboration, something that is going to increase your potential for success and abundance. Things are falling into place. So even in your relationship, this is a very positive card, guys, just like I said. So there is someone coming, someone interesting coming for you. So that is the energy with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what it is. A leg up. So with this card in your circumstances, maybe this may be the time for you to request help. Maybe if you are in a relationship. Any relationship thrives on interdependence. So it is important to recognize your role as well as the role of the other person. So you must let them support you. It may not be a financial support but emotional support. So if you are feeling really vulnerable, it may be time for you to speak up your needs and ask this person, because they will not know what you need, but you will be met with kindness and love. And you cannot expect them to read your mind giving you help voluntarily, but when you ask them, it will be given, guys. So any relationship works well as a team. So this may be the time for teamwork, and that teamwork is going to attract wonderful miracles today in your life. So the same way in your work circumstances, this is the time for you to seek advice from your business partner or your advisor or mentor. You can get their help, and this is the time for you to get good counsel. And if you do that, and if you delegate authority to others, so you can take your steps towards big dreams, you will taste success very soon in your life. And this is the time for that, guys, for those who chose this card. So you must accept other people's guidance and help in your life today. That is going to change the whole scenario for you all. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So we will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So this card just means that this may be the time for you to have a good talk, telling this person what you truly feel. So talking things through is the answer, and you will know whatever you wish to know today. If you cannot talk to that person, you must journal, maybe write to them, or email or a message. That is going to help you. And if it is something that concerns your family or a neighbor, this may be the time for you to wipe the slate clean, maybe forget the past and start over again. And you must be grounded, and you must try to talk to others, maybe certain people. You need to communicate to them, and you need to prioritize whoever you want or whoever is important for you, and you must tell them what you truly feel. That is going to help you. And this may be the time for you to meditate, guys. So meditation or some kind of spiritual practice is going to relieve you of all the stress, and it is going to help you in a very beautiful way. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye guys.